Hey man, welcome back to Man Time. We're in the barn door today. Let's fix up this string trimmer. I gotta put some new string on it. We're gonna get it tuned up, and yeah, I'll show you how to do it. Come along with me, grab a frosty beverage. Welcome to Man Time. So this lighting is going to be a little bit tricky for a little while until I get power ran out to the barn door here. But I've got here an FS110R, and man, this string trimmer is awesome. I haven't had any issues with it so far, and I've been using the heck out of it. So these videos are going to be a little off grid until we figure this whole thing out. But let's see if we can change out the string trimmer line in this one. Let me figure out. So this is the Stihl AutoCut 25-2. Now I'm fairly sure there is like some tabs. I need to maybe push in. Is there a tab there? Yeah, there's a tab there. So I need a screwdriver. So you need a screwdriver for this. Or if you've got a pocket knife with a screwdriver on it, you can go that route too. So if you don't have a pocket knife with a screwdriver on it, you should probably, reevaluate how you're living. This one is a Kershaw 1920 Kershaw. Yeah, so it's got two little tabs. There's a round hole here, and little tabs right above that. And that is how it comes off, supposedly. Yeah. And after that, okay, that unscrews. But look at that, I wasn't out of line. There's actually plenty of line in there. It just kind of snapped off. So I like this, I did like this. This Husky stuff usually doesn't do that. See, it was all kind of bound up in here. So I'm just going to re-string it while I'm in here. Usually this stuff doesn't do that. And I actually went and got some new stuff from Lowe's that look like the same thing. If you get some of that that's like kind of really aggressive, with kind of a twisted tines coming off of it type of stuff, that'll do the same thing, where it kind of binds up. See, this one here is bound up in there. You gotta kind of like unbind it like that. This one wasn't as bad. But yeah, so you go to, let your line out, and it won't come out. Okay, so there we go. Let's see if we can get this back in here. There we go. And then we'll put this back on. Now, where does this come out? I guess it comes out right there, huh? Yeah. No. Where does it come out at? Right there. So it's got spots where it comes out. Here. And here. Now we put that on. You guys see what I'm doing here? There we go. And now we should be able to click and pull it out. There we go. Yeah, that's kind of the bad thing about taking this guard off of here. If you take this guard off of here, then you've always got to have something on hand, you know, to clip your string trimmer line. And this stuff is pretty tough. There we go. Off-grid videos. Who would have known? Alright, let's do one more. And then let's see, like, ease a restart on this thing. I've got some gas in it. Let's pump it up and see if we can start it up. Yeah, so this is the FS110R. I can't remember if I said that or not, but it's got the purge bulb on it. And to adjust the carb, you're actually going to need a special tool. So I went on Amazon, and I actually got, I think it was a HIPAA set. So it's a little fold case with like every kind of carb adjustment screw you could think of in there. Because it's got, yeah, it's like a little hex head shaft coming out. You can adjust the idle, but that's it on here. So I think I've got it adjusted, you know, where it works pretty good. And you've got a half throttle lock on there. So you turn this to start, half throttle lock, and then your choke is right here, and pointed in the up position is choke. So let's see how many pulls it takes to get her. I haven't ran this thing in, well, it's been a week. Been a week. Fired first time. Pretty good. That was impressive. One start and then a couple pulls. Man, that's nice. All right, let's see if it'll restart with no fast idle. All right, let's see if I have some safety glasses around here and cut some weeds, huh? Well, I found some sunglasses. That's going to have to work, I guess. I've got some big, nasty, we call this dove grass. I think it's called, I don't know the technical name for it, but it's got a big, thick stem on it. Let's see if we can cut it off. Cut it up. Cut it out. Something like that. Not bad. So this was one of the, again, the first tools that I brought up here. I'm just going to leave this up here. Typically I go around and spray for weeds where I need to around my house. So this is going to stay up here. There's a lot of growth of everything back here. But look forward to next episodes where I'm going to be moving a lot of dirt. I want to get this dirt level kind of almost up to the concrete. Right now, you know, it's 4 inches down, 6 inches down. In some spots not quite as much, but I want to get the level up and then have a nice soft grade off and, you know, out toward the hayfield out here. But so those are going to be upcoming episodes. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see those. FS110 running awesome. Get out there, have you some man time too. Well, if you stuck around this long, you get a little bit of bonus footage. Let's go ahead and fire up the Red Max. Let's see what we got here. Red Max HBZ26R. Man, if you can find one of these, this thing has been amazing from the start. Uh-oh. Now it's kind of not pumping up. It seems like it's pumping air. That's not good. Huh?